here I have 1 cup of flour. You can actually use self-raising flour, a pinch of salt, and the recipe will be in the comments below. We have our butter, milk, vanilla, 1 egg, and we give them a stir and mix all your ingredients together. In the next step, we have our cinnamon and sugar mix with our honey, and you need an overripe banana and mash it all together. It is very overripe, this one, but the riper the better. Give it a mash around.
Okay, once we're ready to go, I've sprayed my pan and I'm just making little piles like a normal pancake. Once they bubble, it's ready to turn over. Once they've bubbled, we just flip them over. Okay, these are all lovely and hot. And if you want, you can sprinkle with a bit more cinnamon sugar. With the cinnamon sugar, I've actually made this myself, so it's 1 part cinnamon, 4 parts sugar. There we go. So ready to eat. Don't forget to post any of your photos of you cooking at home, and there'll be a link below with the ingredients that you'll need. So enjoy.
Hi guys, welcome back. Well, I have some special guests with me. We've just completed our banana pikelets. So let's dig in, guys. Okay, who's having what? I'm gonna have one with a banana.
I think I'll have one too.
Should we give it a thumbs up?
Perfect.